I have a question on this, which is that I originally started, like when I was doing the intro, I said one thing that I'm hoping to gain from this is a little bit of perspective on this, like a derivative of this question. So not necessarily what is the business case for diversity, but more so what is the unique role that marketing has to play. I know, Sherron, for example, you talked about how you need a marketing team to be representative of the consumer base that you're trying to address, and so there needs to be enough representation for relatability, and people need to be able to see themselves in the product. Just curious to know if others have perspectives on that. What is marketing specifically, and why not a product team or a sales team or an internal accounting team or whatnot? What's the uniqueness around marketing, if you have a perspective?
Okay, well, I'm going to have probably a skewed perspective because of the industry that I'm in. And so because I'm in television, I always feel like the most power is programming, and then marketing is second, right? And it's because we control what people see. We can kind of control the media. And so I think it's very important to be mindful of what you're putting out there. I don't have control of the content, meaning like what the final product will be, but I control how you view the marketing for it. For example, a few years ago, I had a project called The Rap Game, and it was with young kids who were trying to get a deal with Jermaine Dupri, and I got an opportunity. I got an opportunity to do a unique shoot highlighting each of the kids, and it was very important for me to let them be as authentic as possible, because I think sometimes people will see a rapper on television and think I have to act a certain way, and I was trying to stress to them that you being an individual is what's going to make you stand out, right? Not mirroring what you see on watching other talent. Yeah, it can influence, but you still need to make sure you stand out. So I was very passionate about how I wanted to market these kids, how I wanted it to be unique, how I wanted to capture something that was special about each of them. So I interviewed all of them. Well, I had to answer like a questionnaire so that when I was working on the creative, that I put them in an environment that was suited to them and not like a cookie cutter, everyone has to fit into this, you know? So I take it as a huge responsibility to knowing that, yeah, we have a large audience of different people, different races, different genders who are watching our content. And I think it's important to make everyone feel inclusive, right? That we're being inclusive.